It's gone. I think it's gone.
เด็กๆเข้ามาแล้ว เดี๋ยวรอที่ชื่อสักครู่นะคะ
Maybe the song's gone, but I have prepared the song, but it's gone. Mm.
พูดไทยได้รอก่อน
Oh yeah, I see it. It's gone in the location. We'll just proceed. All right. Okay. Good afternoon, students. Hi. How are you today?
I am fine.
Very good again. How are you today? I am fine.
I am fine.
I am good.
I am good.
I am great.
I am good.
I am wonderful.
I am wonderful.
Very good. Then, good afternoon, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Good afternoon. You remember our lesson?
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher. Nice to meet you. Again. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. Nice to meet you. Okay, very good. Now again, how are you today? I'm good. I'm great.
fine.
I'm wonderful. Very good. Now, what day is it today? Okay. What day is it today?
What day is it today?
Very good. You say today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
Again. Today is
Today
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Very good. And what day is it today?
Wednesday.
Very good. Today is Wednesday. Very good. Sorry. Today is Friday. I forgot. Today is
Friday.
Again, Friday.
Friday.
Again, today is Friday.
Today. Friday.
Okay, now let's spell Friday. F,
Friday.
F, say
Friday.
F,
F
R,
R
I,
I
D,
D
A,
A
Y.
Y.
Friday.
Friday.
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday.
Okay. How's the weather for today? Again, how's the weather for today? You say
Today is
it is sunny.
it is sunny.
Again, it is sunny.
It is sunny.
Okay, very good. Now, hands up,
Now then.
hands up, hands forward, hands sideward, hands down. Okay, what is this again?
Up.
Hands up.
Hand up.
What is this?
Hand
Hands forward,
Hand
hands sideward. Very good.
down.
Hands down. Very good. What is this?
Clap your hand.
Very good. Show me your book. Again, show me
Show me. Show me.
your book.
Your book. Your book.
Very good. Now, what is this?
Book. Book.
Book. Now, if teacher will do like this, what is that?
This is.
Or do you remember? This is, that is, okay? This is a book. That is a book. Okay, again. This is a book.
Is a book. That is a book.
That is a book. Very good. Now, if teacher will do this one.
It is
A cell phone.
a cell phone.
Again, this is a cell phone.
It is a cell phone.
If teacher will do like this,
That is a cell phone.
very good. That is a cell phone. Again, this is, that is. Okay. This is, that is. Okay, now, okay. Teacher will open this book. What do you say? Open your book.
Open your book.
Very good. Again, this one.
Close your book.
Close your book. Open your book and
Close your book.
close your book. Very good.
Yes.
Okay. Let's sing a song. Stand up, sit down. Okay. All right. Let's sing a song. Stand up, sit down. Ready, sing. Stand up, sit down. Stand up, sit down. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. May I come in? May I go out? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Again. Stand up, sit down, stand, sit down. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. May I come in? May I go out? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Open your book. Open close your book. Keep
ปลื้มปลื้มตาตาปี
keep
ปลื้มปลื้ม
quiet.
ปัตตปี
Go to the board. Go back to your seat. Make a line. Make a line. Again, open your book. Ready, sing. Open your book. Close your book. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Go to the board. Go back to your seat. Make a line. Make a line. Okay, everyone. What is this?
สเตนอัพ
Stand up. Very good. What is this?
ดาว
Sit down. Very good. What is this? Raise your hand. Very good. Now, what is this?
ลาลา
What is this?
โกติโกติลา
May I come in?
เมียก็อิน
Very good. Again. May I come in?
มีไออิน
Very good. Now, what is this?
เมียไอโกเอา
Very good. Again. May I go out?
ไม่ได้
Hello.
ก็จะพี่ไอ
Okay. May I go out?
มีไอโกเอา
Very good. Now, what is this?
แฮน
Clap your hand. Very good. Now, what is this?
เป็นโยบุ
Open your book. Very good. What is this?
โคโยบุ
Close your book. Very good. What is this?
มีควายเปิดกล้องแล้ว
Quiet. Very good. What is this?
อะไรวะ
Go to the board.
คนเดินมาทูเดอะบอร์ด
Again. Go to
ฮัลโหล
the board.
คนลืมโอ้ทูเดอะบอร์ดอะไรวะ
Hello. Okay. Again. Go to the board.
โอ้ทูเดอะบอร์ด
Very good. Now, what is this?
โอ้ทูบักทูติดอะไร
Very good. Again. Go back to
ทูยู
your
ติด
seat.
บักทูยูติด
Very good. Go back to your seat. Now, what is this?
เพลงอะไร
Very good. Make a line.
เมคอะไร
Okay.
เมค
Now,
อะไร
okay, very good. Now, let's review our. Okay. Reviews.
พูดถึง
Value. All right. Okay. Do you remember our vocabulary?
พูดบาย
Wednesday. Nam.
น้ำนมน้ำ
Water. Again. Nam.
water
Water. Very good. Ahan.
very good
Good. Very good. Land.
ไลท์
Play. Land. Play. Play. Okay. Do. Drink. Very good. Eat. What is it? Eat. Eat. Very good. How dry?
โอเค
How dry? Not okay. How dry?
ไม่รู้
พูดเหรอ
Understand. Again. How dry? Understand. Very good. How tốt? Sorry. Again. How tốt?
sorry
Sorry. No, very good. Chai.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Popcorn.
Thank you.
Thank you, very good. Thai fruit.
Hello.
Thai fruit.
อะไร
Please. Again. Thai fruit. Please.
Please.
Okay. Lagoy.
Goodbye.
Hi, very good. Sawadi.
Hello.
Hello. Again. Sawadi.
Hello.
Hello. Very good. Now. Who? Oh, you forgot again. Ru. No. Again. Who? Speak with me, okay? Ru. No.
No.
Very good. Need. Very good. Again. This one. Ro. Ru. No. Need. Food. I food. Play. Walk. So. Okay. Again. From the start. Ru. No. Okay. Teacher will say again, students. Ru. No. Need. Think. Say. Good. Walk. Tell. Do. Call. Do. Call.
Cool.
Raw. Wait.
Wait.
Raw. Wait.
Wait.
Youth. Stop.
Stop.
Youth. Stop. Okay, again. Teacher will say the English and you say the Thai, okay? No. Ru. Again, no. Ru. Very good. Think. Need. Very good. Say. Good. Very good again. Say. Good. Very good. Tell. Walk. Again. Tell. Walk. Okay. Call. Call. Teacher, how do you read this one? Two, I pronounce. Oh, okay, good. Tall. Sorry. Tall. Again, tall. Tall. Wait.
หยุด
Raw. Wait. Raw. Stop.
หยุด
Youth. Very good. Again. Stop. Good. Okay. Now let's reverse. Okay.
ก็บอกว่าไม่ต้องเอานั่นเลยให้มันสบาย
And you say the English. Okay. For example, ro. No. Need. Put. Say. Walk. Tell. To. Call. Raw. Wait. Youth. Stop. Okay. Okay. Now. Ro. Oh, very good. Do you remember this one? Pink. Very good. Food. Stay. Very good. Bob. Tell. Again. Bob. Tell. Okay. Two. Call. Very good. Rock.
Wait.
Wait. Very good. Youth.
Stop.
Stop. Okay, now we'll do like this. Roll. No. Roll. No, you do like this. Do repeat after me. Do what teacher do, okay? Roll. No. Roll. No. Meet. You speak. Meet. Think. Food. Say. Bob. Tell. Bob. Tell. Who. Call. Very good. Roll. Wait.
ไม่เอา
Good.
พัดลมนิ้วหายนะ
Good. Stop.
Stop.
Okay, now we repeat. Repeat again. No. Say no.
รู้
Rule. Think.
เอาอีกแล้ว
Say. Put. Walk. Tell.
ไอ้อุ้ย
Call.
ที่มือเดี๋ยวมันกัดขา
Call. Okay. Call. Call.
อุ้ยนั่น
Wait.
มี
Rock.
อะไรอยู่ไหม
Stop. Youth. Okay. Now. Now let's review our previous lesson. All about myself. Okay. Teacher will ask you question. What is your name? You answer your name. Okay. What is your name? My name is. Okay, again. My name is. Okay. Now, everyone. Hey, my name is. Okay. Now, how old are you? I am
9 years old.
very good, 9 years old. Okay, what is, you remember? What is your favorite color? Can you say this one? Okay. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is. What is your favorite color? Black. Very good. What else? Green. White. Orange. Okay. For example, teacher. What is your favorite color? Teacher say, my Basketball.
Basketball.
Very good. Football. What else? Board games or music. All right. Next, what do you want to eat? Again, what do you want to eat? You say, I like to eat. Again, I like. I like eat. I like to eat salad. Very good. I like to eat sausage. Very good. I like to eat pizza. I like to eat burger. Okay, very good. Now, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat hamburger.
Hamburger. Very good. Tichaya, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat
Pizza. Very good. Osana, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat
Very good. Now, okay. Do you remember that this is, these are, okay. Okay. Do you remember this one? This, these are. Remember? This is, these are. Again? Very good. These are. Very good. Again? This is. These are. Very good. This one. This is, these are. Only one. This is, these are. This is. Very good. How about this one? These are. Very good. This one. This is. And this one? These are. Okay. Now. Okay. What do you like? What things do you like? You say the things I like are school and dancing. Again, the things. Again, the things. Okay, speak. Okay, speak. Walk. Put. All right. The things I like are school and dancing. Very good. The things I like are playing inside Very good. The things
The things
I like
I like
are
are
walking
walking
and horses.
and horses.
Very good. The things
The things
I like
I like
are
are
helping and ice cream. Again, helping and ice cream. Very good. Now, what things do you like?
I like
Are what? Ice cream and again, the things I like are hi. Okay, again. The things I like are give me two. Ice cream and science. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to the things I don't like. The things, again, the things I don't like are dinosaurs and loud sounds. Very good. The things I don't like are sand and reading. Very good. The things I don't like are watching TV and swimming. Again, and swimming. Very good. The things I don't like are cats and rain. Again, last one. Things I don't like are cats and science or cats and rain. Okay, now what things you don't like? Hello? Okay, again. What things you don't like? The things, again, the things, hello, kids. Again, the things I don't like are cats and rain. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to our next lesson for today. Okay. All right. Our lesson for today is body parts.
Body part.
Again, please read body parts. Okay. What do you see in the screen? On the screen. What is this?
Hair.
Hair. Do you see this in English?
Hair.
Hair. Very good. Now next. Now what is the color of the hair?
Hair.
Brown. It's color brown. Okay. Next, what do you see?
Head.
Head. Head.
Head.
Head.
Head.
Head. Okay. Now let's spell the word head. H
Head.
E
E.
A
E.
D.
E.
Head. Okay, very good. Now, next, what do you see?
Body.
What?
Body.
Body. Very good. Again,
Body.
body. Now let's spell body. B
Body.
E
E.
O
O.
B
E.
Y.
Y.
Body.
Body.
Very good. Now, what do you see?
Hand. Arm.
Arms. Very good. Again,
Arm.
arms. Now let's spell arms. A
A.
R
R.
M
M.
S.
S.
Arms.
Arm.
Very good. Next, what do you see?
Hand.
Hands. Very good. Now let's spell hands.
S.
A
Head. A.
A. Very good.
A. N.
And
D.
D
S.
hands. Hands.
Hand.
Very good. Now what do you see?
Light. Ờ. Em mới
Legs.
xem lại. Leg.
Again. Legs. Very good. Now let's spell the word legs. L
Leg. Leg.
G
D. D. S.
legs.
Leg.
Very good. Okay. Now what do you see?
Feet. Feet.
Feet. Very good. Now let's spell the word feet. F
F. F.
E
E.
E
E.
T.
T.
Feet. Very good. Now let's review. What is this?
Hair.
Hair. Very good. What is this?
Head.
Head. Very good. What is this?
Body.
Body. Very good. What are these?
Arm.
Arms. Very good.
Hand.
What are these? Hands. Very good. What are these?
Leg.
Legs. What are these?
Feet.
Feet. Okay, now, do you remember teacher will say, what is this? You say, this is my hair, okay? What is this? This is my hair. What is this? This is my head. What is this? This is my
This is my
body.
hair.
What are these? These are my arms. What are these? These are my hands. What are these? These are my legs. What are these? These are my feet. Okay? You get it? Okay. You remember? If one, this is, these are.
This is, this are.
This, okay. This one, this is, these are.
This is,
This is, this one, this is, these are.
this are.
These are, very good. This one, this is, these are.
This is,
This is. This one, this is, these are.
this is.
This is, very good. Arms, this one. 1, 2. This is, these are.
These are.
These are, very good. Eyes, this is, these are.
These are.
Are, very good. Nose, this is, these are.
This is.
This is, very good. Mouth, this is, these are.
This is.
This is. Ears, this is, these are.
These are.
These are. Legs, this is, these are.
These are.
These are. Feet, this is, these are.
These are.
These are. Hands, this is,
These
these are.
are.
These are. Okay, very good. Now,
This is.
you read this one. This is my. These are my.
This.
This is my.
This is my hair.
Very good. This is my hair. Very good. Again.
This is my hair.
hair. Next. The second one. This is my hair. Very good. The third one. This is my
body.
body. Very
My
good.
body.
Next.
This is.
It's my arm.
Very good. These are my arms. Next.
These
These are hands.
Very good. These are my hands.
These are my hands.
Very good. This one.
These are my legs.
Next. Very good. This one.
These are my feet.
These are my feet. Now. Okay. Look at here. You say this is, these are. Okay. What is this? This is my hair. Again.
This is my hand. This is my hair.
Very good. What is
This
this?
is my head.
This is my head. Very good. 2.
These are my
My arms. What is this?
These are my arms.
These are my arms. Very good. What are these?
These are my arms.
Very good. These are my hands. What are these?
These are my foot.
Feet.
Feet.
Okay, you remember? 1 foot, 2 feet. 3. Look at here. Feet, I foot.
หลักตะขา
If it is 2 feet, foot, feet.
แรงมาก
Yes. Foot,
โอ้
feet. Very good. Again. What are these?
These are my
Feet. Very good. Again, this one. What are these?
These are my legs.
Very good. Again,
อุ๊ยกัดนะ
These are my legs.
these are my legs. This one.
These are my ears.
เอี่ย
Here. Very good. Again.
These are my ears.
These are my ear. Very good. What is this?
This
This
is
is my mouth.
Very good. Again.
This is my mouth.
Very good. This one.
This is my
This is my nose.
Very good. This is my nose. How about this one?
These are my These are my arms. Eyes.
These are my eyes. Okay. Very good. Now. Okay. Please read this one. What is this?
What is it?
This is
What
my.
is this?
What is it?
Is it?
Okay. Teacher will say, what is this? Teacher, this is my, you say, okay? Example, what is this? You
This
say,
is my
this is my,
eye.
oh, okay. Sorry, not this is. This is my nose.
This is my nose.
Okay, very good. Again, what is this?
This is my nose.
Very good. What is this?
This is my mouth.
Very good. What is this?
This is my hair.
This is my hair. Very good. What is this?
This is my head.
This is my head. Very good. Now, let's proceed to what are these?
These are my.
Again, please read. Anne. What
What is this?
What are these?
What my this? What are this?
Say, these are my.
These are my. These are my arms.
Arms. Very good. Okay. Teacher will say, what are these? You say, these are my. Okay. What are these?
These are my arms.
These are my arms. Very good. What are these?
These are my eyes.
These are my eyes. Very good. What are these?
These are my hands.
Hands. Very good. What are these?
These are my feet.
These are my feet. Very good. What are these?
These are my legs.
My legs. Very good. What are these?
These are my ears.
Ears. Very good. What are these? Sorry.
Blue.
What are these?
Ear.
My eyes. Hello. Okay. What are these?
These are my eyes.
Eyes. Very good. What are these?
These are my fingers.
Fingers. Very good. What are these? These
Shoulder.
are my
Shoulder.
shoulder. Very good. Again, what are these?
Shoulder.
These are my shoulder. Okay, now. What are these? These are my.
Oh,
These are my. Okay, next. What is this? This is my. This is my.
head.
This is my head. Very good. What are these?
Foot.
These are my. You remember? These are my
These are my
feet. Very good. What are these? These are my arms. Very good. What is this? These are only one. This is again.
This is
What is
my
this?
hair.
This is my hair. Very good. What are these? 1, 2.
ไม้อ่ะ
ติดอ่างหมายเลข
Legs. These are my legs. What is this?
บอดี้
This is my body. Very good. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson this afternoon. Next Monday, we will be having another lesson. And I will see you there, students. Thank you for today. Bye-bye.
บ๊ายบาย
Bye.
เข้าไปแล้ว
อะไรวะ
Right.
เข้าไปแล้ว
โอเคค่ะ เด็กๆ จบชั่วโมงแล้วนะคะ โอเคค่ะ
ใช่